Rain in the summer. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the border of Riversdale. In the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain, how it clatters along the roof like trampled moon.
How it gushes and soaks out from the throat of the outflowing spout. Across the window pane, it pours and snips and wins, white, with a muddy tide like a river down the gutter road. The rain, the welcome rain.
The lights are on, though it's past midday. There are no more indoor games we can play. No one can think of anything to say. It rained all yesterday. It's raining today. It's grey outside, inside me it's grey. I stare out the window, fist under my chin. The gutter leaks, drip on the lid of the dustbin. When they say, cheer up, I manage a grin. I draw a fish on the glass with a tail-sized fin. It's sodden outside and I'm damp within. Matches, bubbles and papers pour into the drains. Clouds smother the sad laments from the trains. Grandad says it brings on his romantic pains. The moisture's got right inside of my brain. It's raining outside, inside me it rains.
How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window's pane,